Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Torah School Online. We are back in business. It has been quite a while since I styled Yamadori. I'm talking about first styling of Yamadori, first work on the tree after collecting. This is very interesting and very old mugo pine collected by Micha Dvorshak, but the tree is now in my collection. 3 years after collecting, the tree is now ready for first styling. I own this tree for the last 2 years, and during this time I already analyzed the tree and I have a design in my mind. But in order to show you what I have in mind, I must first cut off this branch, because this branch is too long and too heavy to be used. Maybe even now it's hard to see the fantastic line of this tree, but if I move a little bit this branch, then maybe you can see the fantastic line and the spiral of this tree, this trunk, which will be the main focus point of future design. Now, the plan is to begin with work on Deadwood, and then I will clean and prepare the crown for bending and wiring. The tree is now ready for bending and wiring. I will work on details a little bit later when the main line will be established. Now I will prepare the raffia and apply it on the right places on the branches. Now we reached the most important part of the styling, bending the main branch up into the apex and the side branch into the first branch on the tree. To do this, I first set up an anchor point with a screw. From there on, it's all about patience, a gentle touch and constant control during the bending. These two bends will determine the tree's final shape and its future. I'm slowly wiring the tree, and I'm also cutting branches off in the same time in order to achieve good structure of the crown. And the next branch which will be cut is this one, because it's too long and it is crossing the main trunk, so it must be cut. Now that I have wired all the branches on the tree, I have a dilemma. Should I go for the tall top or should I compact the top a little bit more? You will see the answer soon. But first, I just want to say thanks to all of you who already supported this channel with clicking the thanks button below. You can still do that, or you can become a member of our channel, and then you can have an early access to the videos. And this is the new stuff. You can also click on the shop and you can buy some goodies from our online shop. Now the styling of the crown is more or less done. Of course, a lot of details still missing, but first I want to clean a little bit the deadwood on the trunk, which is really beautiful, and then I will paint it with lime sulfur to protect it, and of course also to stand out a little bit with that, because now the color of the deadwood is a little bit too dark. And in the end I went for the middle height of the crown. And that's the final result. I am quite happy with the outcome. Maybe I thought that it would be possible to bring out, to emphasize more the spiral in the trunk, but it is what it is. I will work on details of the crown and on details on the deadwood in next years, because this tree will stay in this box for at least another year, and then it will be repotted into the first bonsai pot. and after that, after 2 more growing seasons, into the final bonsai pot. So it is quite a journey still ahead us, but for now I am, as I said, happy with the outcome. Thank you for watching this video and see you all in the next one.